Hello everyone, welcome back to SM Tech Creation YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you 5 easy tips to save your iPhone battery life. First one, turn on low power mode on your iPhone. Second one is turn off iCloud photo upload. Third one is turn off hand off option. Fourth one is turn off AirDrop option. Fifth one is turn off background app refresh option. I hope this video felt useful to you guys. Like, comment your ideas below in the comment box and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon below. See you next video. Thank you.